Anong meron, Daddy? Surf ano? Anong meron ngayon? At holiday? Boxing Day?
Oo nga, mag-boxing day nga.
Bakit nagbo-boxing yung mga tao?
Hindi naman.
Boxing.
May storya yun eh.
Nag-garap sila ng gifts.
Akala ko nagbo-boxing.
Prepare ng gifts, ganyan.
May boxing day.
Nagpe-prepare daw ng gifts. Nagbabox ng gift, Daddy.
Birthday mo nga, may ano eh. May holiday sa kanila eh. Junin.
Ano?
Junin.
June 19? Ang kanilang Independence Day is July 14. Ay, July 4th pala. Like the 4th of
Why is Huggy here?
Tsaka meron ba yung Daddy September? Parang ano yun? Mga September, yung mga nababanggit sa kanta yun, diba? Do you remember?
Para sila take ano. Natakaw.
September.
Hindi na nila makain nila. Kada ganun kasi na yung natin yung french fries. Ganun ang agad nila.
Natakaw tingin.
Ano tawag? Ano sabi ni tatay ko eh? Full ice. Full ice daw. Takot din. Okay naman. Nakakaraos na ng ano ni Dios. Birthday ni Kuya.
Parang sa akin ito, okay na eh.
Tama mo, konti lang yung ano, may natira pa rin. Yung ano tawag mo dyan yan?
Ready?
Hindi yung pika-pika na, yun ano. Kuya, ano yan yung, ano na yan, yung palawit na yan? Kanina yan, Garis?
Hindi, may yan nakalagay.
Arega. Ate Kay, dito na yung tali mo, oh. Tulog na si Among Us, Daddy.
Yes, no.
Ito. Ate Kay, mga ipit mo, oh. Ito. Halika na, oh. Tubig ka.
Water mo nasa. Inom ka tubig.
Rich, where are they keeping the Huggy boxes?
Trapper.
I couldn't tell you. Remember when maintenance left it a sweep of this place?
Drink your water, Flo. Drink your water.
Exactly.
Bigyan niya siya yung tracker. Simula na
Nobody
wala.
knows what they're doing.
Your water.
Oh, I swear, I haven't seen a
Simula na wala siya kaya.
place. Started flooding the storehouse.
Meron naman talaga ako extra dyan.
Ate Kay.
Green.
Oh, ako din, yung green din yung nilalagay ko sa akin. Kasi silang kotse. Pero di ko malaman ba't hindi ma-detect ngayon. Kahit nasa Bukawi kami, ang nababasa niyang location dito. Ito.
Antayin mo lang. Antayin mo lang isang tagal niya mag-active.
Ganda yung talaga, apple air tag eh, no? Yung talaga. Okay, uy. Sige, mami muna.
What I want to show you.
Punta kay dito da.
What's this on your ano? What's this? Don't overload that one.
Ano ito tayo nirekta mo na?
Grabe naman ang pawis ni girl.
Huwag mong iwawala yung text mo, ah.
Oh, mamaya ito ang bigay mo. Oh, mamaya nakikita sila.
Ay, sabi na lang yan. Don't lose it.
Sabi mo, no.
Yes?
This is my tita's very expensive
It's just
gift.
formality.
Di ba't ganun? Hindi na siya nag-minimize.
I really think that my son will stop me from speaking now.
Not really.
Tingin.
But if you speak about this
Don't
more,
lose it. Okay.
people are definitely going to think that you've gone mad.
Nilabi mo ano?
Good. I love you, Daddy. I love you. Miss you. Sleep well po.
Kumain ka na daw?
Opo. Opo. Ay,
Ano kinain mo?
You have 6.
Candies?
Yung candies. Di mo nag-spaghetti ka ba?
Ah,
Yung nanay?
spaghetti. Opo. Sa dito. Okay.
Tulog ka pa kung inato ko pa. Late ka na tulog, Daddy.
Kanina nag-aabo lang kami. Na-corner ko siya doon, eh parehong sarado yung pinto. Alam mo yung nag-curve.
Ano ganun siya?
I know this might come as a bit of a friend of mine that we started on such bad terms last time, but at the time the
So,
government didn't
Stella,
have security
what made you
clearance
want to
for
work at
running
the
guns.
Playtime Co-Factory?
And the information.
Playing with toys when I was young.
But
So
over time,
magical.
some secrets come out.
Go straight from my bedroom floor to anywhere
Like
in the
trolls
world.
in sunlight.
Such a great feeling.
What are you talking about?
Being able to work at a toy factory.
What are you talking about?
Seeing makes you
We have all heard about what happened in Denmark during World War II.
Sometimes though,
There were children
go back.
raped at
To being a kid.
every water fountain
Weird. Because
before it
once you're a
just
kid, anyone ever feels like an adult?
Ito ano yan? Ano mo na, post mo na yan. Post. Ano yung post? Post mo to, post. Ito nanay. Post! Post mo!
Ayaw, gusto ko.
Hindi ko post mo na eh. Hindi mo to kay nanay. Tatay. Post mo muna.
Wala.
Ano dito?
Ayaw, kasi
Kami? Hindi ba yan napopost?
ano po, tignan mo, oh.
Ito, ano ba to? Oh, ayun na, napopost oh. Post mo muna.
Wait lang kasi.
Ano hintay?
Spaghetti.
Ayaw niya na.
Anak! Hindi mo ito kay nanay. Tatay. Ay, talaga ka. Parang gusto ko mailis ah. Parang gusto ko yata mailis. Remain king.
Can you have the remote? Thank you.
Medyo samba.
Isn't work. I can see the dark there. Bro. Oh god.